Hi there, Tim Deere again. So today I'm going to show you how to make an incredible mushroom burger. Fantastic ingredients, so simple, but the trick is, and I may say this a few times, is you've really got to cook these mushrooms to the point of exhaustion. So I'll show you the ingredients. Simplicity in itself really. Some very large as you can find field mushrooms. We're going to be using some cheddar cheese, some normal butter and some garlic butter. At the back here we've got some really nice brioche buns with sesame seeds on top. And that's pretty much it. So let me show you how I do it now. So first things first, let's just prepare our cheese. Not too much, just some slices like this. Probably 2 slices per burger. Or if you like your cheese, why not put 4 in there? I'm probably going to put 4 in mine. So let me just get a few of those done. Right, okay, so that's some cheese. That'll go over there. And have a look at the stalks on these mushrooms, because I think it's quite a good idea just to shorten them slightly. Because I know they take an awful lot of cooking, and you really don't want to be fighting with the stalks in the oven. So yeah, just reduce those down. You can keep the bits of mushroom. And here we go. Just shorten that one down. Perfect. Okay, so that's our cheese and our mushrooms. Fantastic. All we're going to do now is move them over there. Is we're going to put some garlic butter into there. So we're going to be making 2 burgers. So this is these mushrooms are just for 2 burgers. That's 1 per person, usually enough. So we're putting some garlic butter in each one of these half mushrooms, or these mushrooms. So we're putting garlic butter inside the little cup of the mushroom. Just a little amount each, that's enough. Obviously this is going to all melt in. Then we're going to get some slices of normal butter. We're just going to put a little bit of that in there too. Just sprinkle it around. Basically, we're just going to make sure there's plenty of butter and garlic butter inside each of these. And that is pretty much it. There is no more seasoning, no salt, no pepper, nothing. There is a little bit of, there are some herbs in the garlic butter, depending on which type you use. But basically, that's it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put that in the oven. So what you need is a small tray, metal tray, oven tray, and you just place the mushrooms straight into there. These are big. Pack those in there like that, and literally that is now ready for the oven. Now again, I can't emphasize enough, you really must let these cook on and on and on, up as long as an hour and a half even. And what you'll see is they start to just, eventually they give all their juice out and they collapse, and then they start to dry up a little, and they're becoming firmer and firmer and firmer as they do it. Eventually they really begin to take on the texture of meat, and that's what's amazing about these powerfully flavored meaty mushroom burgers. So we're going to put them in the oven now. So just to recap, it's your field mushrooms, garlic butter and normal butter, and they are going into the oven at around 180, 200 for an hour to an hour and a half. Really, I'd be amazed if it's less than an hour, but it's like a lot of things, you just got to keep watching them, because all these mushrooms vary in size and vary in tenacity. So in they go. My oven is now 200 degrees, and I'm going to just keep my eye on them. So this is after 15 minutes. You can see the butter's melted, not much else to say. We'll check back in another. So here we are coming up now on 1 hour. It's turning into a mushroom burger. So we'll just grill off these brioche buns. So they're looking lovely. We'll just put those there. And this has been about an hour and 10 minutes now on the mushrooms, and they're pretty much done now. They're perfect. Our burger mushrooms. So quickly put some cheese in the middle. like this. And then tops on. Back in the oven now. We'll just get the bases down there on our toasted brioche buns, ready to put the mushroom burgers into them. This really looks like meat now, don't you think? So, this is the mushroom burger. Oh, it's so chewy like meat. I'll try and show you inside there. Look at that. That's gone really firm, like a burger. Well, nicer than a burger, actually. Nice one. Well, I really hope you'll try those mushroom burgers. Don't forget, big field mushrooms, and cook them at least an hour on 180, 200 until they've just gone flat, and they may not actually look amazing anymore because they've just given up. They don't look like a mushroom. They just look like a piece of steak or a piece of meat. And once you get that cheese in there and sandwich them together, it's just divine. Again, you must have the sesame seeded brioche buns, and you must toast them, and then have them with fries or with mayonnaise, or fries and mayonnaise, and then really nice salad. Fantastic. Try it. Let me know what you think. It's so chewy like meat. Nice one.